So let's go over from the new handout that was given today. Number 4, you should pause the video and sketch this function in quadrant 1, bounded by the x-axis and the y-axis. Go do that and then restart the video. And know that it's a square root of x graph that was reflected over the x-axis and moved up 1. And it's only supposed to be in the first quadrant, so here's what it looks like. And again, I'm hoping that you've already done this and you're just confirming that that's up 1, and it sort of looks like that. And that's 1, and that's 1. So here is the region of the first quadrant, and it's going to get rotated, revolved about the line x equals negative 1 over 4. Here's x equals negative 1/4. And then I know that we can do the washer method. This is, again, empty space right here, which will force an inner radius, and that could be the outer radius. But let's just do the shell method just to practice. So again, like if I did draw it out, this part would get reflected. It would look, it would be right here, and then I would sort of bubble out the sides to make it 3D. But I had a website do that. So there it is. So again, this is the line that we are rotating about. Here is the y-axis. Here's the x-axis. X, y. This is the line x equals 1/4. And then we have this shell. This is just one shell. We can get another shell that can be wider and shorter, and it would look like that. Here's another. Oh, I can go all the way down actually. This is what it looks like. That's better. That's the x-axis. So let me do that again. This part was okay, and it can just go taller. So this is what another shell looks like. Okay, so let me see if I can do a good job showing you the radius. This is the radius for this shell. This is the radius also. And the radius, this part of the radius right here, that portion is 1/4. Again, this is negative 1/4. This is the y-axis. This is my center of rotation. This part's 1/4. And then this part, from the y-axis to the curve, that's x. Okay, this is sort of misleading. This makes it seem like that the radius was 1/4, but again, if we draw a wider shell, the radius actually is x plus 1/4. Okay, so here's my 2 pi. I'm trying to find circumference. Here's my 2 pi's. It's going to be the radius, which is x plus 1/4, times the height. The height of this function is this. That's the height. And then I've got my dx. Let's do my limit of integration. It's going to go from 0 to 1, and there's the 0, and there's the 1. That's it. This problem just wanted you to set up and don't evaluate. That's it. I'm hoping that you took a sneak peek to the back, and I want you to do that. Here is the shell volume formula in more details, and this is comparing the disc or washer with a cylindrical shell. Okay, now you should start your homework. Thank you for watching.